Welcome to our video today, where we're going to tackle an issue that's been puzzling some of you out there. In the world of software development, have you ever encountered the error unknown type name, max, aligned, when building GCC 14.2 for CentOS 7? If so, you're not alone. This error can be frustrating and confusing, especially if you're new to compiling software from source. In this video, we'll break down what's going on behind the scenes, explain why this error occurs, and most importantly, provide a clear solution to get you up and running with GCC 14.2 on CentOS 7. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, understanding how to resolve this issue will save you time and headaches in the long run. So, let's dive into the meat of the matter. The error unknown type name max aligned typically occurs when there's an inconsistency between the version of GCC being compiled and the system headers. This discrepancy can lead to the compiler not recognizing certain types or definitions, in this case max aligned. To understand why this happens, let's take a step back. When you compile software from source, your system uses its own set of headers and libraries as references. These headers contain type definitions, among other things, that the compiler uses to interpret the code correctly. The problem arises when there are differences in these type definitions between versions or configurations. In the case of max aligned, this is a relatively new addition to the C standard, designed to specify the maximum alignment for any complete object type. However, older systems or compilers might not recognize this definition yet. To solve this issue, you have a couple of options. The most straightforward approach is to ensure that your system's headers and GCC version are compatible. This can sometimes mean updating your operating system's packages to the latest versions available. If you're using CentOS 7, which is an older release, it might be more challenging, but still possible. Another option, if updating isn't feasible due to constraints like dependencies or compatibility issues with other software on your system, involves telling the compiler where to find compatible headers, or explicitly defining max aligned yourself in a custom header that gets included before any standard header. However, this latter approach requires caution and should only be used as a last resort because it can introduce other complications down the line. The error unknown type name max aligned is often due to version or configuration mismatches between GCC and system headers. Ensuring compatibility between your compiler version and system libraries can resolve this issue. Updates to either GCC or the operating system might be necessary for compatibility. Compatibility. Defining custom types should be approached with caution. And that's it for today's video on resolving the unknown type name max aligned error when building GCC 14.2 for CentOS 7. We hope you found this explanation helpful in understanding and tackling this issue head on. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments section below. Your engagement is invaluable to us, so be sure to like this video if it was useful, and consider subscribing for more content on software development, troubleshooting, and tech-related topics. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.